All right, good afternoon. This is part four of the Building Hyper Site live stream with SvelteKit and Tailwind. And in today's stream, we're going to focus on building the company um, page, mainly the mobile one, um, just to show you where I'm at is built the main page and made it responsive. So we've got this mobile responsive page. We've got this little drop down menu here, and started working on the product page. My primarily in the mobile form, and then I'm going to come back and add the desktop form to like product and pricing and now company. So company's not found. We need to kind of start that. And this is what the company um, site should look like, the mobile site. So we'll be using that side by side. And hopefully things will work out well. So let's get started. Okay, first thing we need to do is create our routes company svelte page. And we've got the page. We just need to add a header and a footer and a main. So we're going to import header from lib header.svelte and import footer from lib footer.svelte. And we'll create our header and main and footer. Save that. And let's see if we get our company page to start. Okay, we've got our company page. Um, let's check out our drop down. It selected the company. Cool. And there we go. Now we want to start to build out this, and we've got kind of this header one, and it's split by this graphic here. So we'll go ahead and get that graphic, and we'll copy it as SVG, and then we'll create a static. Let's call this company bolt SVG. That, and create a section. In that section, we'll have our header one. That'll be about hyper. Make that bold. And then we'll have our image, and we'll call it company bolt. Logo. Okay, now we have our section. That looks cool. So we want to make this mobile. And the reason I started doing mobile pages is with Tailwind, everything's kind of defaulted with mobile, and then you can enhance as you grow. So it makes it a little bit easier. So we'll make the text 3XL, And well, we don't want to do that there. What we want to do is do a flex. That'll put things side by side. And then we'll make our H1 text 3XL. And what I'm going to do is make the padding horizontal 4 and make padding top 8. And then here we're going to bring the about down some. So we'll do margin top 8. And I'll put a div here. See if this can be centered. Center. Justify center. Looks like it's kind of picking up the whole thing. Okay. Let's see. It does look like it's a little bit bigger, doesn't it? That's good. Good enough. Okay. Now we'll get our paragraph section. Just make it a paragraph. So, okay. All of this copy will get redone at some point, but not today. Okay, so now we got this text and we just want to do some padding. Do padding horizontal 4. And I think we want to make sure the text color is dark gray. Then we'll add a button below that. Need to import our button. Now that we got our button, let's line that up a little bit to margin horizontal 4 and margin top 8. Let's see, should have changed a little bit, but it didn't. Yes. Oh, okay. Let's wrap it in a div and see if that works for us. So better. Now we got another graphic to add. I'll call this swirl maybe. Okay. Scale that. It's weird. Oh, I must have copied the whole thing. Oops. Okay, swirl, not SVG. This again. Okay. Now let's reset. Okay, so that's not everything that we want. We need to include that. Let's see, how are we going to do this? Maybe if I back it out. One more time. Hopefully the third Time is the charm. We shall see. Yay. Okay. So now let's straighten that out. It's a little bit of spacing there. And it's 8 and 36. So let's go and give it some margin. Top 8 and max 4. Let's see how that works. Okay, a little bit more. Just do auto, see what that does. Okay. And we got a new section. This one we'll do an H2. I'm just going to put a hard break on this. And we'll do class equals text.3xl. And do px4 and pt8. So padding top and padding horizontal. Okay. Paragraph. Okay. I wonder if I can just copy this text. Yeah. See, let's copy that. Okay. Now I think we want to make it the same as above, text dark gray. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, I think. Yeah. And we want to do some margin in top 8, margin top 4. Oops. versions on 4. Okay. And let's just go up here and make this similar. There you go. Looks like an H3. Another section. Okay, let's see. All right, so let's make let's see how this shapes out. So we can do that. So I have this section where we'll have the title and then we'll just have like a set of divs probably to go through, and each div would just be like a single card with the logo and the text on it. Um, so what we'll do is make this text 3XL, maybe 2XL. And we'll make the section at X4, BT8, and we'll want to do text center. And we'll just do a set of divs. It'll have an image. And a paragraph. Really, maybe another heading 3, heading 4. That. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I can't highlight this correctly. Don't tell me it looks like they're all connected. Hmm. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, cool. It looks like it's got the text by it already. So let's make this flex and let's just justify center and we'll just do margin top 8. Okay. And now let's kind of grab this middle one. Scalability. Okay. And scalability. Nice. And flexibility. Okay. Sweet. And we just got a couple more bits. Let's just go ahead and do this one too. Connected. Paper connected. Telling you, it's hard to think of just names for these images. Great, great images though, by the way. Cool. So now we just need to do one more section. H3. And a paragraph and a button. Okay, and then the paragraph, we'll just copy this content. Okay, and then what we want to do is just adjust our heading 3 and all that. Attempted to close an element that, let's see, H3, section. See where the problem is. It's not P, it's B. Let's fix this. Paragraph, what do we do? S- Gray, space, and then we'll add some padding. And we'll put some separation between title. uh, About that later. Okay. We need to put some spacing in front of the button. Let's just grab this one up here. Yeah, I was wondering why this wasn't working before, but basically it's because it's a custom component. And what we're doing with our custom components is using the styles attribute to um, pass in any markup or any styling. So that's why it wasn't working. It should work. Oops, not styles. I need to come up with a better name, but that's what we got. And may not need to do that. Okay, so we got that. We need to add some spacing there. And we got that footer. We'll be working on the footer later, but that's our company page. We do need to add some up here. Not too bad. So like I said before, going through all of this style guide and doing all the mobile bits first, and then I'll come back and progressively enhance with the desktop version. So here's the desktop version, and we'll come back and we'll modify the styles to be responsive. So as the web page, kind of grows, then we'll get um, it'll move into this responsive look here. Cool. Well, thanks for checking it out, and that's all I have for today. And we'll see you next time. Thanks.